Hey there, welcome back. Come along with me to the German festival that's been happening right behind our house. They were all dressed in the original attire, tons of food, and a lot of band activities happening. This is apparently how they used to dress back in Germany. That was one of the bands playing. They also had a lot of goodies from Germany that you could buy from, and tons of family and kid friendly activities and games and rides that you could do. Lastly, my favorite part was the fireworks every day.